Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to convert image to PDF file in S25 Ultra or any Samsung latest flagship phones. Okay, just open your gallery, then select your album, then select image. Okay, then you can tap on three dots on the top of that menu, then select print. Okay, within a second you can see the print option is here, and also you can see here there is an option see all print as, or you can save as PDF. So just tap on download, then choose your which folder you need to save this file. I'm choosing this podcast. Okay, click here done. So that's guys, I successfully saved that image to podcast. Okay, then open your file manager. I'm using Explore, you can use your normal one. Okay, then go to podcast, then you can see there is a PDF file. This is the PDF, you can see the PDF file is here. So very simple, you can simply convert any image to PDF file without using any third-party software. But here is one problem, is that you can only convert a single image to PDF file by using this method. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.